Hey, my name is Naila like the Lion King, and this is my channel, DBNaila done by Naila. I am back momentarily. So a series of events have happened. Me and my husband finally moved into a house, and I am starting from scratch for a studio. If you guys can see. Y'all can see all that. Another thing, why I haven't been able to even make a video, my charger port on my computer has malfunctioned entirely. I bought a new charger and it wasn't the charger, so I had to take it to Best Buy, and it will not be back until for basically a whole month. So what I'm going to be doing this month, because I can't really do what I want right now, I will be vlogging my studio setup, I guess. But the editing will be limited because, as you guys know, I will have to use my old computer, which kept crashing. I'm gonna try my hardest, and plus I don't have internet right now. I won't have internet until like later this week. So it's just been a whole bunch of stuff going on. But you know, even though it sounds negative, I'm so happy I have a house and a studio. So I don't think you guys realize, but because I have a studio now, I can do so much more work at the same time. So like, I'm going to be crunching out videos, you guys. Like, it's a lot of stuff in here that I didn't realize I had. Honestly, the first thing I have to do is actually put some windows up and blind. I said windows. I need to put blinds up because it's no blinds. So when I work in here, people are gonna stare right into my soul. So I don't want that to happen. I'll start with that. Okay, I'm done with the blinds. Now I'm just gonna go straight into getting the studio straight. Let's get into this.
Nice.
Alright, so we have day one, basically. Y'all see me? Okay, I'm going to order some shelves. I don't have enough like storage items, I guess. So I'm gonna order some cheap like shelves on Amazon, and I have to find my tarp because that's like kind of protect the floor. But I mean, I got a lot done. I just want to say thank you guys for tagging along. I know it couldn't really be like an art video. I'm just kind of showing y'all what I've been doing in life. But I love you guys, and you know, as always, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I will make a return. Just give me some time, you guys. I'm gonna try to keep doing like vlog videos until I get my new computer. Well, I'm a new computer, my old computer. But I love you guys, and I will see you guys soon.
And I got you right where I want you!
Like and subscribe.